Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This evening I thought I would share with you a New Zealand commercial beer and also talk briefly about what I've got planned for my next brew. We'll start off with the commercial beer. So recently I spotted this in a local supermarket and I was familiar with DVB, which is Double Vision Brewing. They make some fantastic beers. They're based in Wellington here in New Zealand, and I saw this mixed six pack of cola beers. So you might be able to see there on the front. So there were two each of the original cola sour, cherry and vanilla. So I've drunk them all, bar one, and I thought I'd share that one with you. So I've already poured it up. It's the cherry cola sour, 4.5%. And this is probably my favourite of the three. So they've all been really nice. But yeah, I think the cherries, I'm a big sucker for cherry anyway in beer, like, stouts and porters. So this is right up my street. So hopefully you can see that colour. It's got a real nice sort of red cherry hue from the cherries in it. The straight cola one and the vanilla one, they're more of like a Coca-Cola sort of colour. But yeah, it's nice with that red hue. We'll dive in. We'll go for a smell. So straight away, I'm getting really nice hits of cherry. Also picking up that sourness and also the cola. So I'm not sure how they got the cola flavour, whether it's using cola beans or not. It smells like a natural cola aroma. We have some natural cola drinks here in New Zealand that I believe are made from the roaring cola beans rather than using an extract. So yeah, it smells really good. It's a perfect beer for this time of year, nice and refreshing. It's nice and clean, crisp, nice level of sourness up front, and then you obviously getting the cherry and the cola as well. So yeah, it's a real nice combo. Good drinker on a hot day. So yeah, tastes pretty much how you'd imagine, if you've got a natural Coca-Cola or a cola style soda and added cherries and then soured it up. This is pretty much what you'd end up with. So if you're a fan of sour beers, unfortunately these are only available here in New Zealand, but be interested to know if you've seen anything similar overseas. If you're here in New Zealand and you like sour beers and you want some sort of summer style easy drinker, definitely check these out. And yeah, the other thing is, I thought for my next brew, what was I sort of toing and froing about what to do, and then I saw that Hauraki Home Brew, my local home brew shop, advertised on their Facebook page that they were getting in the newly launched Brick Road Brewing beer kits. So I thought, it's been a while since I've done an extract brew, so why don't I grab one and to see how they taste. So this is distributed in New Zealand and Australia by, I'll put it on the screen because I'm going to get it wrong, New Zealand Craft Brewing. Probably botched it up, but I'll put it on there. So they distribute the Muntins kits and a few other bits and pieces. But I believe this is the latest product. I think it's come out of Muntins in the UK, but it's a brand new product. Brick Road beer kits. There's a whole range, it's a huge range, something like 20 different styles. There's hazies, there's brown ales, there's red IPA, IPAs, lagers, pilsners, or you name it, they've got it. So this is one of the sort of the core range or classic range, I think they call it. So it basically you just get the can, you get an ale yeast under the lid. Better double check that that's actually the case. Okay, so it does come with an ale yeast. There's an American ale yeast, 6 grams. And then it's got a little booklet there with brewing instructions. Oh, here we go. Here's some of the different ones. Gold lager, draft, dry lager, whole dark brown, American porter, wheat beer. There's a lot more than that. I'll put links to all the different kits. So yeah, these have only been launched in like the last month or so, maybe 6 weeks here in New Zealand and Australia. So hopefully you'll see these starting to pop up overseas. So anyway, I better talk about what I'm going to do with it. So as you know, I do half batches. So this is designed for a full batch size. So what I thought I might do, and I've done it in the past with other extract kits, is I am going to use the whole can in a half batch size. If you were doing this in a full batch size, you'd have to like add some dry malt extract to it to get the the starting gravity, etc., and the right ABV. But yeah, luckily, because I do half batches, I'm just going to use this one can on its own. One thing I did check, it's bittered to 17 IBUs, so because I'm effectively going to be doubling it up, bitterness wise, it's going to end up at around 34 IBUs, so that's not too much. It's not way out of the ballpark, because the last thing I want is if it was bittered at like 30 IBUs already and I was basically doing a half batch, I'd be doubling the bitterness. So yeah, no problems there. Hop wise, so it's pre-bittered, but they suggest adding your own hops. So I've got 100 grams of Nelson Sauvin hops in the freezer. So basically what I'm going to do is brew this up as is with the yeast that's come with it. I'm going to make like a hop tea with half of the hops, half of the Nelson, or just do like a hop stand, and then add that when I'm making it up, and then I'll use the other 50 grams of the Nelson as a dry hop. So yeah, I'll probably do a separate video. It's been a while since I've done an extract brew, but really keen to try these new products out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can remember what to do. It's definitely been a fair while. So I'll put this back and I've kept it in a nice cool place. So yeah, that's me pretty much done. That's all my plans. Going to carry on drinking this. Yeah, so nothing else planned brewing wise at this stage apart from this, the Brick Road Pacific Pale Ale. So yeah, stay tuned for that. You guys enjoy the rest of your week. If you got any questions about the kit or the cola sour, just sing out. Otherwise, we'll next video will probably be me making this up. So I'll try and do that in the next few days, maybe over the weekend. So we'll catch you for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to drink some good beer, and we'll catch you next time. Over and out. Cheers, guys.